Hello everyone, my name is Ryan. I just joined the team New Vision yesterday. I'm excited. I'm excited to meet every one of you. And today training, I learned a lot from Ronnie because we just had a review on Yelp about one of the agents here and how he handled the situation and how Ronnie came up with the solution. And Ronnie talked about how we could handle the situation better in the future. And we do a lot of script training this morning, so that was helpful to me. And I'm very new to real estate business here, so it was a good training this morning, and I'm looking forward to learn new things every morning.